Hello everyone, this is Professor He. Nice to see you again. The topic of this task is about the generalized compressibility chart. We have learned the valence gases are thermodynamically similar. What about real gases? Figure 5.4 shows experimental data for 10 different gases on a chart of this type. The solid lines denoting reduced isothermals represent the best curves fitted to the data. The gases seem to obey the principle of corresponding states reasonably well. By curve fitting all the data, we obtain the generalized compressibility chart that can be used for all gases. The following observations can be made from the generalized compressibility chart. The first one is, at very low pressure, gases behave as ideal gases regardless of temperature. The second one is, at high temperatures, ideal gas behavior can be assumed with good accuracy regardless of pressure. And the third one is, the deviation of a gas from ideal gas behavior is greatest in the vicinity of the critical point. When the critical compressibility factor Zc is approximately taken as a fixed value, the principle of corresponding states is applicable. Therefore, since the critical compressibility factor Zc of most fluids is close to 0.27, then we have the generalized compressibility chart for Zc equals 0.27 made in engineering can be conveniently used for approximate calculation. The generalized compressibility charts for the critical compressibility factor Zc of 0.27 are shown in Figure 5.5 and Figure B6. More local enlarged views are shown next. This is the generalized compressibility chart for the large PR. For some fluids with Zc values far away from 0.27, you can also draw generalized compressibility charts for other Zc values, but those charts are used less. The generalized compressibility chart for the very large PR. The merit of the generalized chart for relating P, V, and T data for gases is simplicity coupled with accuracy. However, the generalized compressibility chart should not be used as a substitute for P, V, T data for a given substance as provided by tables or computer software. The chart is mainly useful for obtaining reasonable estimates in the absence of more accurate data. Okay, that's all for this task. Thank you very much, and see you next time.